Good morning, everyone. It's Shauna, your tax goddess, and I am here today with a huge tip for our high income earner clients. So the SALT cap, SALT standing for state and local income taxes. This has been capped as of January 1st, 2018 at a maximum of $10,000. Now, for most high income earners, they blow past $10,000 in state taxes that they pay almost instantaneously. So let me give you a really good example of what this looks like. If you are earning $1 million and you're normally paying $100,000 in state taxes, you're only allowed to deduct $10,000 maximum at the federal level. You just lost a $90,000 tax deduction. So obviously this has been quite a problem. Now the cool bit, and this is why you have a tax goddess, why you reach out to tax strategists, there is a way around this if you own a business. How many times have I told you guys you must have a business? You must have a business. If you don't have a business, you're missing out, in this case, on a $90,000 tax deduction. So there is a special election that you can file at the federal level that will allow your company, your business, to pay, sorry, I'm too excited, to pay your state taxes. The business gets a tax deduction for it, which is amazing, meaning you also get a self-employment tax deduction and you get an income tax deduction. Self-employment taxes alone are 15.3%. This is huge, guys, okay? So the business can file an election, it can pay your state taxes, and then at the personal level on your 1040, personal return at the federal level, you don't care about the SALT cap because you've already deducted it at the federal level. Now, this only works at the moment, as of today, this only works in certain states. So the list of states: Alabama, Arkansas, Arizona, California, one of our high earners, high state taxpayers, Colorado, Connecticut, Georgia, Idaho, Louisiana, Maryland, Minnesota, New Jersey, New York, Oklahoma, Rhode Island, South Carolina, and Wisconsin. You might have to replay this section of the video, okay? They are all allowing this election at the business level. And we do have pending legislation right now in Illinois, Massachusetts, Michigan, North Carolina, Oregon, and Pennsylvania. Now, depending on which state you're in, the states are using generally one of two different models. Either the business is allowed to directly pay and get a credit, dollar for dollar credit for the state tax for the owner of the business, okay? Or it's a tax deduction. So depending on your state, depending on where you're at, but either way, the business should be paying your state taxes, okay, state taxes. So again, the example, if your resident state tax is 10%, like California, who's on this list, okay, you're on $1 million of income, you're going to pay $100,000 in state taxes. Without this, you're losing a $90,000 tax deduction in this case. With this, you get an extra $90,000 tax deduction, which will save you not only income tax, but also potentially self-employment tax. So guys, as usual, Tax Goddess likes to stay up on the newest news. You do have to file a special election for this. So make sure that you're working with your tax strategist over here at Tax Goddess. Or of course, we are also CPAs and we work with clients around the country. So if you need a new CPA, if your CPA hasn't told you about this, call us, okay? We'd love to be working with you. Of course, we normally work with business owners, 6, 7, and 8-figure entrepreneurs on ways to reduce their taxes, just like this. So now at the moment, okay, big key here, at the moment, this is only working, this is only working for pass-through entities. So partnerships, S corporations, okay? So if you've got a Schedule C, the small business sole prop, if you've got a Schedule F, which is a farm, or a Schedule E rental property, this is not going to work for you, not yet. Now, there's a lot of chatter that they are going to be effectively killing the SALT limit, the $10,000 SALT limit, starting in 2022. But that still leaves us with 2021, where we are still having problems with this. So for any of our clients, if I'm speaking directly to our clients here at Tax Goddess, if you have been paying your taxes, it just came out. So if you've been paying your personal quarterly estimates for the state of Arizona and they're more than $10,000 for the entire year, reach out to us. We'd be happy to excuse me, we'd be happy to get that paid and covered now through your accountable plan. So, and for anybody else listening, if you don't have an accountable plan, and as I said, don't have a CPA that's telling you this kind of detail, reach out to us. We are tax strategists. This is the kind of stuff we do. So I hope everyone's having a wonderful day and look forward to answering any questions or helping you if you've got a business and you want to reduce those taxes. All right. Thanks, everybody. Have a great day. Bye.